so eat that, peep that. I'm the one to beat, yeah. I'm the one to beat, yeah.
Sorry for the words. Brian's twin. There's a bunch of ducklings in the water. At least 6 of them, I think. Okay. The favorite part of Epcot. They got sharks. They got whales.
They got manatees. The manatees.
Don't talk about Brian like that. You would be a guppy? No, you would not be a guppy.
I would never call Brian. But the manatees are cute.
Trash talk.
After dinner?
Yeah, let's get French ice cream after. Don't even gotta ask me twice. It's dark. You can't even see me. Ocean. For men.
Don't worry. Eyes open all the way. Your friends for food. Nemo, why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh,
I'm having fish tonight.
They're so odd looking.
Attached to the rock, like is it?
Got bright colors too.
Rebecca, splash and play around in the fountain. No!
So sweaty.
Oh my gosh, it's the Knights at the Round Table.
They have the Warriors. They have a Warriors and they sell brats on the street.
I'm cold.
Norway also has that. Sanders thing in there too.
Supposedly they're blue moon cauliflower.
We gotta do that Disney vacation. How much?
Graphics, should we need any? Wheels? Guys, our score is 221 and the design score is 230 for today. So, you know what? I call that a win. So we got the coconut tres leche and we got the tropical breeze. We're on a quest, if you can hear me, for Rebecca to get a donut. Guys, I did not like my tres leche. I didn't like it. Okay, bye. If Rebecca had to do a restroom tour, she would have hit every restroom in Disney. I love Kermit. Oh God. Oh God. This is Haley's worst nightmare. Alright, we decided to skip the fireworks show thanks to Frank helping us because Frozen is only 50 minutes. Oh, we're in the back too. Got the horses in. Oh, we'll still get wet. I mean,
Ice palace, Ben's going, I'm going.
I got wet. Also, the picture got me with the phone in my face. Oh, you wanted a picture? I think a storm's coming in, but that's it for tonight. Bye!